How to understand if something has a designer or a creator? Is there anything in this universe which aren't designed? Two hard questions. Let's start from the second one. Believers think that everything in this universe was created by God. Maybe it's true. But if there's no God, then this universe wasn't designed? Wait, what about the nature? Is it a designer? What does designer mean at all? Let's check a definition. Designer is the one who plans and makes decisions about something that is being built or created. Plans and makes decisions. According to this definition, it's hard to claim that nature itself is making plans and decisions. But nature sometimes causes things as if they were designed by humans. Then how to understand the difference? It was designed by humans or it exists naturally? We don't have this problem always, right? For example, a phone. No one thinks that nature can cause a phone. But how do we know that phone has a designer? Or how to understand if something has a designer or not? Our first question. Let's continue explaining it on our phone example. First of all, we don't see phones randomly popping into existence in the nature, or we don't see them growing like plants. Phones didn't exist some time ago, and we have factories where we create them. Powerful reasons to believe that they have designers or creators, but not powerful enough to stretch this fact further. Believers look at similar examples and they make a huge jump. They say therefore everything has a creator. This is a logical mistake. Composition fallacy is to assume that parts or members of a whole will have the same properties as the whole. So just because something has a creator, that doesn't mean everything has a creator. Anyway, maybe that's the case for our universe. We don't know, but we cannot say it because some of them were created by us. Let's try to think about something else. Imagine you are on a different planet. Assume that there are other intelligent beings there. How can we understand which things are created by them? Without any investigation, we can miss a lot of things, or maybe we cannot even detect anything that they were created. Maybe we can guess if they designed things similar to what we created before. For example, some geometrical tall metal buildings or roads. What if they create things in a way that it's not distinguishable from nature? For example, a communication device in the form of a non-geometrical stone. We couldn't recognize it. Maybe such stones are their homes. We look at the things that we design and compare them with other things, and we decide if they were designed or not. Sometimes even this comparison is not enough. We can imitate nature, and this can be confusing for the person who wants to understand the origin of things, and vice versa. Nature may cause things which are similar to what we create already. This also makes it hard to understand who caused it. And the easiest way to know about the designer is direct observation. We can see the things while they're being created. Then there's no doubt for the creator. When we don't see that process, and if those things are not similar to what we designed earlier, as I said before, it's hard to know what caused them. There is a point people mostly don't see in philosophical discussions, which is people assume that if there is a God, then everything has been designed by that God automatically. What if this universe and that God coexist at the same time? I mean, what if God didn't cause this universe? He created things in the universe or just designed many things in it, but not everything. Why not? Imagine a cave shaped by a river, no water in it anymore. We find this place and we build things in it. We shape it in different ways. Maybe we are living in such a universe. Let's wrap up our design topic. Being an agnostic shapes my understanding of this problem. We don't know if any God exists or not. Therefore, I prefer to hold my judgment. As I mentioned, if there is a God, we cannot claim everything has been designed. There are many scenarios that we can speculate. When it comes to things in the universe, there are few things that we can be sure that they have designers. Rest of them is unknown. Any claim about this unknown part will be unsupported by evidence. That's why it's risky to take the burden of the proof. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you find something useful in this video. Take care and stay curious.